Aquarius, Aquarius, Aquarius. Knock, 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 Aquarius. Yes? Happy birthday reading. January 20 to February 18. Yes? So, babati na ako ng advance happy birthday. Yeah? So, i-prepare ko na yung happy birthday reading mo in advance. Malapit na, malapit na. Few more weeks. Few more weeks. And we're gonna celebrate Aquarian season. Yes, air sign. Yes, ang mga very independent, intellectual sign. Yes, eccentric. Ayaw ninyo ng mga small talks. Yeah, ayaw nyo ng ganyan. Loyal friends. Yes, loyal friends, and also known kayo being humanitarian. Yeah, one famous Aquarian, si Oprah. Yes, so yeah, so check natin what you need to know in preparation for your birthday. Yes, so hopefully I can give you a good reading as well. Yeah, so yeah, happy birthday. Simulan na natin. Ayaw nyo ng small talk, so ituloy ko na. Ayaw nyo ng small talk. So, very innovative people. Yeah, forward thinking. So, that's one thing I like with Aquarius people. Yes, game na tayo. January 20 to February 18. Happy birthday reading to Aquarius. Tignan natin. Give me one card. Give me one card. Tignan natin yung storyboard. What Aquarius need to know para sa birthday nila. Aquarius season. Very guarded people. Yeah? Very guarded. So, I just want to know, bakit aloof daw? Aloof daw ang mga Aquarius people. Why is it? Why is that? Okay. Check natin. So, Aquarius, happy birthday reading, January 20 to February 18. Give me one card. Give me one card. Yeah, okay. What to expect? Oops. Linisin ko yung table ko. Yeah. Queen of Wands. Yeah. So, hawak mo yung magic. Hawak mo yung Ace of Wands. Queen of Wands, sinasabi ko always, magician yan. Yeah? Magician. Kaya niyang mag-alchemy. Kaya niyang tunawin yung solid into liquid and do a transformation. So, it's all about inspiration. Yung fire niyan dun sa belly, passionate. I think most of the Aquarius also have that is a sense of passion, yeah? Kasi ano kayo very independent, intellectual, ayaw nyo ng small talk. So, same also like the Queen of Wands, full of passion, yeah? So, something that, would give you that more motivation to succeed, yes? And to move and achieving your dreams sa susunod na taon, 2026. Yes? So, yeah, that's a good start for 2026. Okay, check natin. Aquarius, what else you need to know? Aquarius, happy birthday reading, January 20 to 18. Okay. So, keep that inspiration, yeah? So, mag-alchemy ka. Lahat ng dreams mo, you can achieve that. Okay? If you're dealing with Leo, so somebody who will give you more inspiration to push at saka to achieve all your dreams, yeah? I-ano mo na yan, i-manifest mo. Let's see what Aquarius need to know para sa kanyang birthday. Okay, tuloy natin. one card. Give me message for Aquarius para sa birthday nila. Advance birthday reading. What they need to know. Preparation na rin for 2026. Ang paghahandaan nila. Okay? Yes? So, give me one card. Give me one card. Oh, see? New beginning. Yeah? So, kakatapos ko lang basahin yung Newman reading. So, personal, setting long-term goal. Yeah? So, kung napanood nyo yung New Moon reading, so it's about setting up your long-term goal and taking responsibility, preparing for new growth. So definitely, I always say na during your birthday season, which is your Aquarius season, that's the time na it's harvest time, yeah? So 3 months prior to your birthday month and 3 months after, yeah, that's the time na prior months, 3 months before that's the time you set your intention, plant those seed, yeah, plant those seed. And during your birthday season, Aquarius season, that falls on January 20 and February 18, yun ang harvest time. So whatever you manifested prior months, yun na yung period na during your birthday season, that's the time that you're gonna harvest yung reward. Yeah? So, kung gusto mo ng promotion, that's the time na prior months, you have to show perseverance, Medyo magpapapogi or magpapaganda, call it maglangis-langis na, yeah? So, para makita yung effort mo, yes? So, to 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 ano to to even achieve quicker and also get that result that you like, yeah. So Ace of Pentacles, struktura yan. So new career, new beginning, financial reward, family structure, having conceived a child, it's also coming. Anything na you are passionate about, nasa kamay mo yung magic wand. Yes? So you can transform solid to liquid, liquid to gold. Something to that effect. This is gold nugget, okay? Ina-offer sa'yo, you can take it or you can reject it. So you have that free will, okay? So pag-uusapin ko yung card, okay? So Aquarius, the universe is giving you the reward that you deserve. Yes? Okay. So sabi mo, ay okay, maliit yan. Okay, tutunawin ko siya. I'll turn it into something bigger. Yeah? You have the power to do that. That's how powerful Queen of Wands is. Magician po yan. I always say magician yan. So, new beginning, Ace of Pentacle, new opportunity, new gate of opportunities, opening it up, opening up. So, nagbubukas po. Yun yung mountain. The mountain symbolizes the dream. Yeah, sa tarot card po. Yan yung mga pangarap natin, mga ambisyon natin na it's not easy to to navigate that, but nothing is impossible, especially dito sa Aquarius na nasa harapan ko, who will be celebrating their birthday. You will get that. Yeah, you manifested that earlier, prior months. Yung birthday season mo, that's the time to harvest. I always say that. Yeah, okay. Ituloy natin. Ituloy natin yung storyboard ng Aquarius, Aquarian, yeah? Celebrating their birthday. Tignan natin. What else you need to know? Birthday gift mo, birthday gift mo, birthday wish. What else Aquarius needs to know? Yeah? Tuloy natin. Bigyan natin sila ng magandang birthday reading. Ayusin ko lang yung camera so you can see that cards. Okay, give me blind spot. Blind spot, Aquarius, birthday reading. Yep. Setting long-term goal. Yun ang sabi ng new moon. Tignan natin kung ma-achieve mo yung long-term goal mo and what other message you need to know para sa birthday mo. Okay? Tignan natin. Aquarius, Aquarius, birthday reading. Give me one card. Give me one card. One card, one card, one card. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Blind spot. What Aquarius needs to know. What? Yeah, okay. News. Yeah, mabilis po. Mabilis ito. So, here you are. Queen of Wands, full of passion. The universe is offering you the reward, new beginning. So, kung ano yung minanifest mo, prior months, this is your birthday season, you're gonna claim that. Hindi lang claim yan. It's coming fast. Yeah? New career, new child, new house. It's pentacle, 3 dimension. So, yung structure ng buhay mo, good health, wealth, financial wealth, security, if that's what you've been praying and manifesting since last year, claim that, nag-open up, and the news is coming. Yes, you planted somewhere towards advanced reading po ito. So, you can still do that planting. Yes, if you watch that new moon reading, long-term goal, kasama po yan prior to your birthday to, to plant that. Yeah, to manifest that. Yes, work on it and claim that. Transform it. The magic is in your hands. Hawak mo yung Ace of Wands. News is coming fast and you're gonna reap, aanihin mo yung ipinunla mo, yung bunga ng pinaghirapan mo. Yes, that's how it is. Babagsak yan in um in 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 physical form. Yes, okay, so tangible, 3D reality. Yeah, okay, ituloy natin ang birthday reading ni Aquarius. Yes, so year of the horse po ang 2026. Fire horse. Yeah, so I can see here the horse, that's Pegasus. Yes, wing horse. Pegasus ba yun o is there unicorn? Yeah, okay, I think it's Pegasus. Yeah, so news is coming very fast, so just be cautious only on siguro air sign. You're an air sign. Okay, maraming, everything is fast that will happen in 2026. Yes, fire horse, madaling mag-init, madaling magalit, madaling mag-decide, madali ring mag-back out, madali ring sumuko. So, Queen of Wands is telling you na keep that fire burning. Yeah, hawak mo siya. Kumbaga sa ron, back pocket, nasa back pocket mo siya. Anytime na kailangan mo, you need that. Yes? Ano nun tayo? Napapagod din tayo physically. So, sometimes we lose track or nawawala ng gana. Yes? Physically exhausted. Yes? Because it's gonna be a busy year. It's gonna be a busy year for you, Aquarius. Yeah? Tingnan natin. Tingnan pa natin yung birthday reading for Aquarius. Okay, very innovative people. Yeah? A little eccentric. Sabi nga nila, why is that? Okay, I just wonder. Okay, tignan natin. Give me one card. One card. Yeah? One card. Yeah? Okay. See? Are you dealing with Cancer? Yeah? This is expansion. Yes? So, meron ka bang another innovation? Yeah? So, depende yan sa karir ng Aquarius na nasa harapan ko. If you are looking for expansion in terms of career trajectory, promotion, or moving to another country, or a lot of travel. I can see here a lot of travel. Again, contain that emotion. Yes, Aquarius, air sign, headspace. Yes, this is you. Mabilis ka. Every decision or anything coming your way, mabilis kang magde-decide. Yeah? Parang chop, chop, chop. Yeah? Ito siya. Magkaharap sila. Okay? Are you dealing sa somebody na ipinanganak noong year of the horse? Very ano to? Very prominent. Yes, I see a lot of horse here. A lot of movement, a lot of travel, naka-line up sa'yo. Hindi lang to sa ano, sa Pilipinas, kundi this is a international travel at the same time. Yes. Um, it will be a busy career. Busy career. Yes. Mag-open up na. Um, yung kung nabitin ka in terms of promotion, or some, not for everyone, yung health issue or any health challenges. Yes, so you're gonna have that result na ano, it's a good news. Yeah, it's good news. um Structure ng bahay mo, ng buhay, ng family, it's also on a very ano, solid state. Yeah. Again, Cancer, if you're dealing with Cancer, Cancer is water sign, you are air sign, headspace, emotion tong ano, Cancer, okay? Contain mo. Contain yung emotional side mo. Yes? That's something that you need to watch out. Passion, there's no problem. You have it na, na nakalagay sa ano, back pocket mo. Yeah? Parang Swiss knife na ano siya, anytime na you need that, you can pull it out. Yes, yung magic wand mo, hawak mo yan, walang problema. All throughout the year. Yeah? Emotion lang, need to contain. If you're dealing with Cancer, need to check with Cancerian na how to deal with their emotion in check. Yes? Okay. Tingnan pa natin. Give me message. Additional blind spot. Blind spot, Aquarius, people, birthday. Okay. Birthday reading, Aquarius. Give me message. Blind spot. What Aquarius needs to know. Blind spot. Mas magaang yung 2026 po kaysa sa 2025. Iba yung ano niya, iba yung energy. 2026 is a whole different energy than 2025. Tignan natin. Blind spot. Give me one blind spot. Blind spot. Birthday reading. Aquarius season. Yeah? Okay. I see here 10 of wands. Yes? Okay. Don't give up. Kung feeling mo na lahat na lang ng challenges ipinasan mo, prior years, prior month, birthday season, na-complete mo na yung cycle. Yeah? Birthday season, new beginning, nag-close na yung chapter mo, and you're opening up a new chapter, a new reset, a new Aquarius for 2026. Okay? Sabi ko yung bundok, yun yung dreams natin. Yeah? Yun ang dreams natin. And it's not easy. Yeah? Some Aquarius na you feel na puro kayo na lang ang nagpapasanda lang ng almost everything. If it's related to any relationship or family matters or anything, yeah, na parang overburden ka, don't give up. Yeah? Don't give up. Go to finish. Like what I said, yung intention 3 months prior to your birthday season. Yep, I always do that. Um, I start to manifest and focus. Yes, 10 of 1, photo finish, you are going directly to the home base. Yan po, okay? Nakikita niyo yung bahay na yan? Yes, that's the dream. That's the structure. Nag-ani, nagputol ng kahoy para sa winter season, para meron pang ano, pangsaing. Yes, during winter season, that's the time that you will slow down a bit and enjoy the fruit of your hard work. Yeah, okay. I can sense here also na be proud of maski na maliit, ano yung ano po, yung iba-iba po tayo ng background, yeah? Maski na ano po yung source of income mo, yung pinaghihirapan mo, kung karpintero ka, kung driver ng tricycle, ng salesman, sales clerk, okay? Pare-pareho tayo ng binabaybay, yes? And we always aim to that sanctuary na after ng hard work, we go to our sanctuary and we enjoy yung pinaghirapan natin. Yeah, it's aligned to the Ace of Pentacle, which is the new beginning. Yung mountain, that's the mountain of your dreams. Yes, pinasan mo siya. Now, during your Aquarius season, which is your birthday, darating na yung wish mo. And whatever you manifested and whatever you work hard for, the reward is um, showing up, will be given to you. Ha? Okay, ibabato sa iyo na ng universe. Yes, always think na hawak mo yung ano, ace of 1, yung magic nasa kamay mo. So, wag kang magpatalo sa physical exhaustion. Ito na yung challenges ng buhay. Nandiyan na yung mga pagnanakaw ng gobyerno, kalokohan, mga chismis, mga social media, lahat ng stress, discrimination, and everything. You gonna reap your reward, okay? Contain your emotion. I-align mo yung black at saka yung white na kabayo to run in the same direction para always focus. It's about focusing on your vision. Yes? Huwag kang susuko ba? Maski na you are physically exhausted. Tao lang po tayo. Ano tayo, lahat tayo, may iba-iba tayo ng pinapasan at iba-iba tayo ng obligasyon. Yes? Ituloy natin. Let's see. Okay. Aquarius birthday reading. Tingnan natin. Bigyan natin ng magandang birthday reading ang mga kapatid nating Aquarian. Yeah? Okay. One more message. One more message for Aquarius para wag merong iba na nahihina yung loob. Yes? Nahihina yung loob. Understandable. Hindi madali po. Pero birthday season, normally it's a time to harvest. Ano po, complete yung cycle na natin. So that's the time na you can you go in complete circle and you get the reward. Yeah, iba-iba lang po ng timing minsan. Iba-iba pero yung definition kasi natin, structure natin at also yung reward, iba-iba din po ng ano yan ng form kasi you know, you iba-iba tayo ng background po. Iba tayo ng katayuan. Yeah, okay. Just continue and persevere. Yes. 8 of Pentacles, yeah. Walang ano to, this is boring, dull job, yeah. So ikaw na yung magtinda sa palengke, gabi, umaga, tanghali, gigising, matutulog, magluluto, mamimili, magluluto, magpapakain ng anak, this is routine. Months, okay? So, it's a simple definition na you had just completed yung months of dedication. Now, it's time for you to harvest your reward. Yes? Nothing is impossible kasi hawak mo yung Ace of Wands. You are the Queen of Wands. Um, Personality mo, being independent, okay, intellectual, um, loyal, a little aloof, yes, eccentric, yeah. So, minsan yung mga personality traits natin yan somehow also affects and also motivates us, to it's either susuko ka or you're gonna persevere. But commonality, sabi sa Aquarius, towards your birthday, malapit na sa photo finish. That's the reward. Continue yung mundane ng buhay. Yes? Alam ng mga OFW yan. Kapag nag-abroad ka, you're away from your family, obligasyon, magtatrabaho, mapapagalitan, humiliated, iiyak, you continue and persevere, papasok pa rin yan sa opisina. Maski na may baha or may sakit. Ano lang, this is about perseverance and exerting your effort kung saan ang vision mo or ang goal mo, yeah? No emotions attached, keep in control yung emotion mo at saka yung dalawang kabayo. That's focus, yeah? Focus on the reward. Nasa center siya nung spread ko. The news is coming. Don't give up. If you're physically exhausted, hindi ka lang nag-iisa. Yes? You are not alone, Aquarius. Okay? Remember that. Hindi ka lang nag-iisa na you're going through this boring type of job. Yes? Depende po, iba-iba tayo ng sitwasyon, but at the end of the day, nagtitinda sa palengke, ganun din ang ginagawa kung ikaw ay isang doktor or dentista or isang empleyado sa opisina. You go through the same cycle, month, day and night. Yes? Walang escape. That's 3D reality na you need to master. Yes? Towards your birthday, you're gonna claim that opportunity and expansion. You have two birthday reward here. Number one, your expansion in terms of financial wealth, health, and structure ng buhay mo. Yes, hindi lang credit card ang mababayaran mo dito. Yes, opportunity is flowing. You are the magician. You can turn solid to liquid, liquid to gold. Yeah, you can do that. Expansion, but you need to be in control. Yes, you need to be in control and stay focused. Yun ang major message towards your birthday. Yeah? Okay. Ngayon, kukuha pa ako ng another card. I just want to get some validation. Yes? Okay. So, Aquarius, birthday reading, January 20 to February 18. What else? What else Aquarius needs to know? Okay? Tingnan pa natin. Bigyan natin pa siya ng isang magandang message. Yes? Claim that. Okay? Birthday season is the harvest season. I always say that. Okay? So, tutuloy natin. One more message to birthday celebrant, Aquarius. What Aquarius needs to know? What Aquarius needs to know? Happy birthday, Aquarius. Aquarius birthday reading. What Aquarius needs to know? So 2026, new beginning, reset, long-term goal. But itong birthday season mo is your harvest season, Aquarius. So everything will fall on its proper place. Yes? Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay. King of Wands. Yeah? Okay. So are you dealing with Leo? Okay? Passion, you have here another power couple. You have the Queen of Wands, who is the alchemist, also magician, and you have the King of Wands, who is very inspired and also siya yung King of the Jungle because he have this sa Rider-Waite Tarot, meron siyang lion at the back. So it's associated with strength and Leo. Yeah? Kung may placement kang Leo, claim that power. Yeah? You're the King of the Jungle. Yes? Inspired action, dream, hawak mo yung Ace of Wands. Dalawang Ace of Wands ang hawak mo to celebrate your birthday. Inspiration, move to going to your expansion. Sabi ko kanina, once na nag-birthday ka, you just completed a cycle, yeah? This is the cycle na completion mo. That completion, something ends, yes? Kapag nag-complete po tayo ng isang cycle sa life natin, we ended up something, yung consider na not so nice, okay? Or hindi na lang nagwo-workout, yes? So, you're a very innovative people. So, gusto mo, ayaw mo nang mabubuhay sa nakaraan, yes? Gusto mo nang palaging bago. Bakit ka magtsatsagang, kumbaga sa magmaneho ng coaching gumagamit ng gasolina, meron ng electric vehicle, yes? That's innovation. Ayaw mo na. Gusto mo na ng mga discussion about cryptocurrency, yung mga ganyan. Way ahead ka yung yung mindset mo. Yeah, you're very intellectual. Yeah. So, you have the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands as well, both inspiration. So, you just completed your cycle. You ended up yung mga what it's no longer working with you. Yes, iwanan mo na yon and reset and start fresh with a new beginning, which is the structure of i-define mo ano ang gusto mo pang ma-achieve towards your birthday and moving forward to 2026. You're gonna get that. So, sinabi na sa'yo ng Queen of Wands and also the King of Wands, ito ka, Aquarius. Okay? Sabi sa'yo, Aquarius, huwag kang sumuko. Okay? Yung power is in your hands. Nasa photo finish ka, claim that I will give you my Ace of Wands. Go ahead. Yeah? That's completion. Sabi rin sa'yo ng King of Wands, Aquarius, meron ka ng Ace of Wands coming from the Queen. I'm gonna give you also the Ace of Wands na hawak ng hari. Yeah? I'm the King of Wands. Yes? So, that's double alchemy. So, nothing is impossible. Keep that inspiration moving. Yeah? Ano mo siya? I-claim mo and also keep pushing and keep believing. Yeah? Completion ka na. Yes? That's the sun and this is your reward. Claim that. January 20 to February 18, that's your Aquarius season. Yes? Yun po ang time na you will be harvesting all your hard work, yung fruit of your hard labor. Yes? So, claim that and I wish you happy birthday. Yeah? Okay. So, one more last moon oracle reading. Yes, to close this happy birthday reading, tarot reading kay Aquarius. Tignan natin. One last moon oracle. Yeah, okay. Message ng moon. Okay? Sabi dito, now is a powerful time to set long-term goals and sow seeds for the future. Yeah? Okay. So, tama yung sinabi ko. Tama ba? Okay, Aquarius. So, magpapakape ka. Okay, magpapakape ka. Okay? So, sow seed. Sabi ko, itinanim. Yeah, ito yung itinanim mo, oh. Yeah? Inanim mo na. Aanihin mo. Mabilis to. This is fast, okay? You just need to believe. You just need to believe. Hawak mo na yung dito. Dalawang Ace of Wands. May blessing ka ng King of Wands and Queen of Wands. multiple decks yung ginagamit ko po. I just want to, to validate para if there will be a duplication, that's a double validation. Yeah, okay. Powerful time to set long-term goals. Sinabi ko na, yan ang watch the new moon reading. Okay, kaka-release ko lang. I-connect mo itong birthday reading mo, Aquarius. Yes, big time. It's gonna be fast. Don't give up. Okay? Expansion. Yes? So, magpapakape ka. Yeah? So, happy birthday again to Aquarius. And, yeah, sana nag-enjoy ka. Salamat po.